The Williams AV Audio Presenter Hub simplifies presentations and collaborations in your meeting room and beyond. The secret to the Audio Presenter Hub's success is its ability to wirelessly connect all computers, tablets, and smartphones to the installed audio and video systems in the room. Audio conference calls, PowerPoint charts, or any video presentation can now be connected to the Room AV system using Bluetooth, AirPlay, Chromecast, or Miracast standards that are already part of your device. The Audio Presenter Hub is designed to allow you to integrate professional AV equipment into your system design. You choose the microphones, speakers, cameras, and display that are needed for the room. The Digital Hub incorporates HDMI and USB video inputs for cameras, media players, and other video devices. An HDMI output supporting up to 4K resolution ensures brilliant picture quality on your display. The Audio Presenter Hub's advanced audio system features a professional mixer with Bluetooth. Featuring an integrated mixer which includes 4 inputs, 2 line outputs, and 2 25-watt amplifiers. The hardware-based AEC echo cancellation system ensures for echo-free conference calls. It can be used with either the 2 phantom-powered microphone inputs or with the 2 line inputs when being used with an existing microphone mixer. For additional mobility, the Audio Presenter Hub iOS and Android apps allow you to stroll around the room and control your computer's presentation from your device, all while providing high-quality video to your display with a stunning 4K output resolution. For those who video conference, the Audio Presenter Hub's USB media port allows you to simply connect your computer via USB to share all of the video, audio, computers, and mobile devices with software applications such as Zoom, GoToMeeting, and Skype. Now, anyone on any device can share their information on an existing conference call by simply using their AirPlay, Chromecast, or Miracast connectivity to share their screen. The secret to our success using Bluetooth in a professional AV project is our patent-pending design, which allows you to integrate the Bluetooth receiver, or what we affectionately call our pod, directly over your workspace in the ceiling. This design minimizes the issues of distance limitations, signal blockage, and prevents you having to install a wireless transceiver in a rack. Enclosed in a tough steel casing, installation of the pod is as simple as running one Cat6 cable back to the Audio Presenter Hub controller. To easily engage your audience with a simple yet powerful presentation system, check out the Audio Presenter Hub at williamsav.com.